guys, welcome back to Tupike African YouTube channel. So on today's episode we are going to be making this home scrub together. We've used natural ingredients that you find at the comfort of your home, and this scrub guarantees you to have glowing skin, and also you're going to be free from black spots and also whiteheads. Thank you for watching and subscribe. We have ideal glycerin, but you can also use olive oil. We have body wash, you can use any brand. Then we have some honey, 2 lemons, and last but not least we have our sugar. Okay, yes, so these are just basically all the ingredients that we need. So stay tuned as we make the body scrub together. Here we have a clean tin. Then we add our sugar. Then add the honey. Then we're now going to add our body wash. Just enough. Then we add in our glycerin. It's going to help us not have a dry skin after using the scrub. So this is after washing the hand. As you can see, the hand is glowing. Yes, so let's try it on our face. So we're going to let this sit for 5 minutes and then we're going to wash it and see. So we washed our face. That's the aftermath. Guys, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. Okay, thank you for being here. Also, another advantage is that it helps clear black spots and also leave the skin so moisturized, as you can see. Yes, so I just love this body scrub. You can go and try it out. It's very affordable and very effective. So thank you for watching.